Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Temple Long Distance Movers Near Me. Long distance migrants are those who travel more than 50 miles away from their current home. Our services at 3Movers are comprehensive and satisfying. Our relocation within the state, local, and federal authorities overseeing long distance relocations is cordial. We also have the legal permission to transfer our clients' belongings across state lines. Your belongings are our first concern when it comes to relocating. To ensure the safety of your things, our movers carry your big furniture and drive them to your new home or office cautiously. Besides that, we have provided insurance coverage for any loss during the journey. You can count on 3Movers for all your local moving needs. It makes sense to assume the local relocations are less expensive than long-distance ones, especially since it involves fewer complications. Our local relocations cost only $30 to $40 per hour. Our goal is to provide the best relocations possible while staying within your budgetary restrictions. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Temple Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.